So hello friends, today we start the DC9. Welcome the DC series of DC9. So start the machine. I am already started this machine DC9. Let's scan your IP on your network through the ARP scan sudo ARP scan -l. Now you can check this because the DC series in the Vuln Hub machines, they are always using the PCS systematic technique. So there is IP is 192.168.1.45 and PCS system technique. So let's scan through the Nmap. -p -sv -a for the all. And its IP is 149.49. Let's check. There is showing is port number 80 TCP open, but it's not shown is the port number 22 SSH. Let's search it only the single port number through the 22 because the port number 22 is the SSH protocol. Now you can see this port number 22 TCP closed SSH service. So it's port number 80 HTTP service open. So go to your browser and first of all we can check the bub shoot if there are any vulnerabilities. So run a scan 192.168.1.49 and use the balanced scan. Now you can see this in the target. There is result.php post method. Status is 200 OK. In the search bar there is SQL injection vulnerability. So copy this content and create a file through the terminal sudo nano capture. I think we should capture this request, so we can use the name of capture. Paste the content, Ctrl X, again check. So it's okay, clear it. One 192.168.1.49. So you can see this example.com staff details. There is home, display all record, search, manage, home. We can capture the request, search.php, manage, home. So for the login, we have a vulnerability of SQL injection. So let's use the SQL map. -r captures and -dbs database batch. Now you can see this, there is three database: information underscore schema, staff and users. So last, I don't think so in the information underscore schema there is some credential. So let's check the staff database. So SQL map, database stands for the D hyphen capital D, database name is staff, S is a capital, dump that database. Now you can see this in the staff database. We have a users table. There is a user's password and username is admin password. So let's copy the hash value of admin, and for the crack you can use hashcat also, md5 websites, and I am also using crackstation.net. So copy this crack hashes. So it's md5 and the result is, you can see this. Give me a minute. So password is transfer plate. Copy this password. Now log in the website. Go to the manage section. Username is admin. Password. Submit. Don't save. Now you can see this. You are logged as in admin. This file does not exist. So we can use this a command inject in our URL. There is some commands. I'll show you. Little bit changement of IP. Because we don't have SSH port open, so first of all check this all credential. etc passw. Now you can see this file does not exist, but root passwd content always showing bin bash janitor, because we want to log into janitor. And check our SSH port, because sometime in SSH port is locked and closed, that's why they are not showing. Now you can see this knocked.conf. There is 3 port number 7469 8475 9842. Copy this and again go to the terminal. Let's again in nmap scan. First of all use the knock command, knock. So first of all knock command, then IP and our port number, and remember one thing, spread it comma. Now I think support is open, so let's check the nmap through the nmap -p port number 22 SSH. Now you can see this port number 2 state services TCP 22 open SSH. So let's again run the SQL map. That time we have found 3 database staff information underscore schema users. Now we can check the users. There is some problem for the delay. Let's run it again. Our SQL map, database users. Let's check it again. We are created a mistake. There is small users, small u. Now dump and bash the database. Now you can see this, there is a table of users. There is ID, last name, password, registered date, username and first name. So copy the old username and create a text file for the users, and copy the old password and create a text file for the password. You can create through the mousepad, gedit, nano, as you wish. You can use that. I'm already created that. I'll show you. Now you can see this, there is pass.txt and user.txt. Let's run a brute force attack, Hydra, on the SSH service. There is -l for user.txt, -p for pass.txt. The both file I am already created this. That's why I'm using this. It takes some time, so just wait. There is two password, but wait, we want one more. Generator, because the etc password.file, there is generator SSH login, so we can found it. So let's connect the SSH. Open a new tab, SSH generator @ your IP, and type the yes. After, use the password. Generator password is ILOPP. Copy this password. Let's check ls -lha. There is hidden files. Now you can see this, there is some hidden files. .bash history, .gnugp, .secrets for Putin. So let's cd .secrets for Putin. Now again check ls-lha. There is one more file, password found on post. It's not .txt, it is a text file, so we can use a cat command. Now you can see this, there is some more passwords. So now again copy this password and use our password.txt file and modify. So I am using through the nano. So now you can see this, our hydra is complete, brute force attack. So we found some more username and password. So there is a user Fredf, and his password is before true. Because in the generator user there is no permissions for sudo, so we can switch the user Fredf, and the Fredf password is before 23. It's some problem. Switch. Let's again check that. Now we are in Fredf. So let's check sudo -l. It's time to privilege escalation. We are started from the sudo -l. So there is this root. A root user is no requirement of password /operative dev stuff dist test. So first of all, cd dev stuff ls. There is ls test.py. So cat test.py. There is some user in Python file for the OpenSSL. So let's check again. So now let's open a new tab and create a OpenSSL. We are using passwd and OpenSSL. Password is 123456 and username is Craw. Now you can see this, there is hash value of passwd. We have a one more command to inject that, or echo. After that, OpenSSL, we are using this command and create a temp file. Get back to this and change your hash value. copy your hash value and run this command. So our password is created in hash value. So now switch. Before the switch we can use sudo test temp, because in the etc passwd directory it's mandatory to use this file of hash value that time we are logged to the root user. So it's completely okay. Now switch the user, switch, and we are create the user Craw CRAW, and the password is 123456. There is some authentication failure. Sudo CRAW Craw 123456. Just give me 1 minute. Let's again, we are created a new OpenSSL. Change the name hacker, and the password is 147258. Sorry. Let's copy the hash value. Change the name hacker. So और input the hash value temp file. Let's copy this command. Again run it here. That time we are created aka, so it's create. Now sudo dot slash test space slash temp slash a file name is aka slash etc slash passwd. Enter it. Now switch the user, switch, username is hacker, password is 147258. Now we are logging as a root. Let's check it. Who am I? We are in root. See. So let's change the directory slash root ls. Now you can see this, the flag.txt is a text file, so we are using a cat command, flag.txt. So our flag are completed. We are capture the flag. So basically our DC9 is completed. Thanks for watching this video. Nice work.